Alright guys, it's Chris,
Ryan,
SVT Garage. We kind of led into today's video 2 weeks ago. We said we had big news, we were excited about something kind of big, and today is the day that we're going to, I guess, drop the ball. So, behind me here is a box, and we're going to do an unboxing, a reveal of a company that had reached out to us. Again, this is why we're excited, is because they want to do a collaboration with SVT Garage, and we said,
sure,
absolutely. So let's see what we got. Let's get into it and rate the product. Honest review. We're gonna do a full install on this as well. We're gonna do a before and after so you guys can see. But let's check this out. So right off the rip, I think one of the weakest things on these cars, especially an older car, is the lights. And NOVSIGHT reached out and they're hooking us up with some LED light bulbs for the cars. This was the top of the line one, right? This is top of the line bulb. So this one is going to be like on the higher end. So if you guys are looking for a great light, well, potentially a great light, because again, we're going to do a review on this and get into it. You're also going to get 10% off if you guys use the promo code, and we're going to leave that in the description. As of right now, it's going to be SVTG.
I need these bad because the Red Fire's got stock halogens in it still.
And
it's bad.
Terrible.
Yeah.
So
my eyes aren't that great at night to begin with, and so this is a welcome addition.
Yeah. So right off the rip, the box is nice.
Is there a model number on here?
No, I don't see a model number. But it's a potentially a plug and play.
Yep.
It is. Oh, these are nice lights too, man. They're packaged very well. I'll give them that. This thing's in here packaged very well, and it is packaged with care. You're not going to get this delivered to you and have a bunch of damage to the light. So,
oh wow,
check that out. That thing's actually a nice light. Kind of sucks that it's going to be hidden away.
Nice light. Looks like it's got LEDs on both sides.
Built-in fan. Sweet. You guys check that out real quick. Let's bring this up here. So, I mean, the quality of the light, this is not plastic either. This feels like it's a metal, right? The bottom end of it? Yeah. Built-in fan for cooling. Ballast is here, and then you got your factory
super nice
plug in here, so.
Looks like everything's plug and play.
Yep.
All right.
So far, 2 thumbs up from Chris and Ryan.
This is a legit harness.
Yeah, that is a hell of a
harness. It's got
harness.
relays and everything. This goes to the battery.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is a little more than your standard just plugging in and going. Like this has got relays to it.
Yep.
It's got the positive for the battery. It's got the fuse built in. You got your some grounds here.
Yep.
Right?
Yep.
Guys, stay tuned because we're gonna be dropping the video on this real quick too. NOVSIGHT, thank you guys for allowing us to do this. We really appreciate these bulbs because that red fire needs it. Bad. So stay tuned, guys, because this video is dropping real quick. You ready for this?
Yep. Let's do it.
Let's do it. All right, guys. It's Chris.
Ryan.
SVT Garage.